Hey guys, Ryan with Beyond Braid. I want to show you our brand new hauler bags. So they come in 3 sizes, medium, large, and extra large. I'll walk you through it. This holds a bunch of 3600 style tackle boxes, has a clear pack, and comes with this water resistant hard molded bottom. Moving on to the large, so you can fit up to 9 3600 style tackle boxes in here. Absolutely amazing, plus other gear. And then if you really got to haul some gear, you go with the extra large, holds 12 3600 style tackle boxes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I can fit 2 more in here easily, right? So it comes with your handheld straps. All of them come with the handheld straps, or if you have a big shoulder, right? If you got a big boat, this is the one you're gonna want. Again, it comes in 3 sizes, super quality material, water resistant material. We have these extra pockets that you can fit literally just about anything in here. So if you're looking for a tackle storage solution, this is it, the Beyond Fishing Tackle Hauler Bag.